It's now time for Section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer. Of course, each correct answer is worth 1 point. And earlier we had the coin toss and Hayes Primary won and decided to send Stella Maris batting first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Stella Maris prep. Bible knowledge, what is the first of the 4 Gospels?
Matthew.
Correct. Hayes, what is the third of the 4 Gospels?
Luke.
Correct. Local affairs, a visual question, Stella Maris. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Dr. Horace Chang.
Dr. Horace Chang.
Correct. Local affairs, a visual question, Hayes. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Dr. Nigel Clark. Dr. Nigel Clark.
Correct. Science, Stella Maris. The disease scurvy results from a deficiency of which specific vitamin in the body?
Vitamin C.
Correct. Science, Hayes. A chronic lack of which nutrient in the body can result in anemia?
Iron. Iron.
Correct. Theater, a visual question, Stella Maris. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Olaf.
Correct. Theater, a visual question, Hayes. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Hans.
Correct. English language, Stella Maris. Spell tremble.
Tremble.
Correct. English language, Hayes. Spell rectangle.
Rectangle.
Correct. Sports, a visual question, Stella Maris. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Neymar Jr.
Correct. Sports, a visual question for you, Hayes. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi.
Correct. General knowledge, Stella Maris. On which continent is Morocco located?
Africa.
Correct. General knowledge, Hayes. On which continent is the Philippines located?
South America. South America.
Incorrect. Asia. Social studies, Stella Maris. In which Caribbean country is the Piarco International Airport?
Barbados.
Incorrect. Trinidad and Tobago. Social studies, Hayes. In which Caribbean country is San Juan the capital city?
Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico.
Correct. Music, Stella Maris. The single Colors of the Wind was featured in which animated movie?
Frozen.
Incorrect. Pocahontas. Hayes. The single Circle of Life was featured in which animated movie?
Pocahontas. Pocahontas.
Incorrect. The Lion King. Mathematics, Stella Maris. What is 4,619 rounded to the nearest hundred?
4,700.
Incorrect. 4,600. Mathematics, Hayes. What is 5,870 rounded to the nearest thousand?
6,000.
Correct. Stella Maris. Jamaican Affairs. Who is Jamaica's Minister of Education?
Favor Williams.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs, Hayes. Who is Jamaica's Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade?
Kamina Johnson-Smith. Kamina Johnson-Smith.
Correct. Sports, Stella Maris. What was the score in the FIFA Women's World Cup match between Jamaica and France in July 2023?
0-1.
Incorrect. 0-all. Sports, Hayes. Apart from France, name another country that Jamaica played in the first round of the FIFA Women's World Cup in July-August 2023.
Netherlands. Netherlands.
Incorrect. Panama or Brazil. And that's the end of Section 1. The scores are Hayes Primary on 9 and Stella Maris Prep on 8. Of course, we go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian New Ultimate Provider. Don't get too hooked on your devices. Try to make time to play and to socialize with others at school and at home. Please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.